Hey, good evening, everyone. Thanks for joining in a short notice. So, most of us understand that IT market or job market is getting tougher day by day, and everyone, right, whether you are a high-paid employee or whatever, everyone's jobs are in risk, and whatever savings we have may not be sufficient for 20 to 30 years of retirement and all the other expenses. So, everyone is looking for a way to make additional income, way to generate some additional income. So in case even if we lose a job or whatever happens, there should be a way where we can continue our lifestyle without impacting our kids' education or anything else. So there are different ways to do it, but there are some opportunities where you need to depend on some people, right? You need them to or you need their support, or you need to sell something, or you need to offer something, or you need your manager support for you to grow. You need your employer's support for you to get hikes. So there is one opportunity where, without needing a huge money, without depending on anyone else, right, there is one opportunity where there is an unlimited income potential. All you need to depend is on yourself, on your focus, your discipline, your process, your persistence. You don't need to depend on anyone else to become successful. So that is the prop firm trading, where you don't need a huge money. You don't need a 20,000, $30,000 for you to trade. You don't need to depend on anyone else, right? All you need is yourself. So again, I'm not saying that it is very easy from day one. You can make money, but if you take time, there is an unlimited potential. If you take time, right, you think as if it is a 6 months training course or a 3 months training course, and if you take time to understand, practice, and then if you put your time, whatever you make in IT, you can make it in 2 3 days, right? Whatever we make in IT salary in 1 month, that you can make in 2 days, 3 days, and you can scale up as much as you want. There is no limit because there are 20 30 different companies. You can duplicate the same trade into multiple accounts, multiple companies. So that is where, so everyone, whoever, right, whether you are very talented in your programming, whether you are a CEO, whether you are a senior software engineer, whoever starts it, it is a new thing, right? Prop firm trading is a new thing because there are a lot of things involved, lot of rules involved. So everybody will start with some mistakes. Everybody will make mistakes while trading. They will blow their account, their evaluation accounts, their challenge accounts, their performance accounts. But once you take enough time, then there is a lot of success in this. So Sunil is one of such examples where he also had some initial hiccups. He tried auto trading, he was successful. But again, one bad day, again he lost some of his PA accounts. But he did not, right? Most of us, right, when you see a failure, you stop there. You don't want to go ahead, right? You want everything to be very smooth. But superstars are the ones who will never stop trying, or who will not stop, you're right, with a failure. They will learn from their failures. They will try to find the ways to make it work. So that is the difference between a superstar and a normal person. A normal person, when he faces a failure, immediately he will think it is not for him. It will not work for him. He will immediately go into something else. Again, he will fail there. He will go into something else. He will continue to do the same thing each and everywhere. Right? That quitting, when you quit, your kids also will follow the same thing. But yeah, you saw stories from Senthil, you saw from Prasad, you saw from Shiva, you saw right, nearly 20 30 success stories you saw, who are making nearly a six-figure income per month now, who are making a six-figure or a low six-figure income per annum. Now they are making six-figure income with their persistence, by following the process, by doing the same things as per the system or as per the process. So Sunil is also one such example. He's just starting now, right? He's still not making six-figure income, but I am sure his approach, his strategy is working good. and I'm sure he will be also sharing that six-figure income per month very soon. So thanks Sunil for taking time to share the strategy and also to share like yeah share that how that 30-second strategy is working for you.
Mm.
So yeah, it's all yours, Sunil. You can, if you want, you can share your screen and you can show like what you are doing and how you are able to make $1,000, $2,000 every day, and you are able to generate some payouts from Take Profit Trader. I'm sure, right? Once you have five accounts from Take Profit Trader, every day you can make 5K, 10K
Yes,
also with the strategy.
yes.
So yeah, yeah, it's all yours, Sunil. Please go ahead.
Thank you, Kishore Garu. I learned all the lessons from Kishore Garu only. Like, I started trading from last year, July. Like, in between, like, I used to do trading using the Prism bots. I have a hectic schedule in office work. Actually, like, I don't get time of like 10 minutes time in between, like 9 to 5 hours. What I did, like, I started trading with the Prism bot. Like, I enable the Prism whenever I see the trades that are positive, like I used to close the trades. But somehow, like one day, I was 20 accounts. I got a PA accounts, all 20 PA accounts. I got it, and at the same time, one day I was in a meeting. That is my mistake only. Like I enabled in a wrong direction. It all PA accounts was get vanished. Uh, and one more thing, like uh, yeah. Just first thing is like your workspace setup is very very important. Like like I tried in mobile also sometimes, but that not working out. iPad and all everything I tried, but not working out. You have to pay attention, and that is more important. First thing is like we need to create an alerts. Alerts is very very important. Like I used to follow like suppose to take MQ, right? Go to 5 minutes, create alert.
Yeah, Sunil, we are not able to see the screen if you're sharing.
Oh, okay. No, sure.
Yeah, now we can see it. Yeah, thank you.
Okay. Yeah, first I think I follow like we need to create an alerts for uh, for all the futures or stocks, whatever it is. Um, Go to the 5 minutes time, create an alert. T5 close, right? This one and trend change. Trend change is the one like it will get to know like it will turn green or it will turn red. Uh, this will create an alert. Click on once per bar close. And you can see here the expiration date also. You can change it here. Right? You can set to 1 month also. Once you create these alerts, it will be there for almost a month time. That is first thing, one alert. Next, one more alert is like for the price pulse. Um, Price pulse like range breakout. Yeah, these are the two alerts. It will be helpful actually. Like Next, you have to go for the alerts whenever we get an alert for 5 minutes time frame, right? We'll get T5 alert like while turning to red or turning to green. Then go for suppose here, right? 5 minutes time it is in green. Now here, right, the NQM stock, right? Now we have to see for the 1 hour also, like what is the how it is the stock is moving like. This is very, very important, like 1 hour time frame, right? We'll get to know like constantly how the change is going on. Like, suppose here 1 minute time also we are seeing the green. Next, I'll check for the 5 minutes time. The 5 minutes time also it started green. Now I will take in the EST hours, it is uh, very fast actually, very quick move. That's why this will work only on the EST hours. Like you see, uh, 30 minutes itself, you can see the long duration like here. The buy and now we got a buy signal, but it's already started is coming down now. Again, it is crossing, right? We have to wait again. Like whenever the start of the point, right? Then only you have to enter it. That is one thing. And one more thing we have to see like the price plus chart, right? Here you can see the sell orders and buy orders. Now it is coming down, right? Let come down. Then we'll take a trade like once it is turned to green. Okay. The 5 minutes time, you could see the green. Even 1 hour time, there is a green. Okay. Now we are checking for the 30 minutes. 30 minutes is coming red, right? We'll wait for to come green. Okay. Now, meanwhile, what you have to do, like in the price pulse chart, where is the buy orders are there? Also, you have to see. Suppose this is the premium zone where you can create an alert here. Like what you can do, like you can create an alert, buy limit. Suppose it drops till to here, it will buy automatically like this one. Otherwise, it is not coming to here, then it come to like T5 line, right? There also, you can watch now here in the 30 seconds. Whenever it is coming to green, we will take a trade. We can take a trade now. Normally, if you are confident, then we can take a 2 or 3 also. Like we saw that 1 hour, 1 hour also we are seeing the green, 5 minutes also green, then 30 seconds also we are seeing green, right? Order then filled. What I will do immediately, right? We have to create a sell order too. There is a sell block here. Go immediately here, go sell order. Create it. go there and do for all three orders. Okay, that's it. Be patient to wait. Now automatically it will uh, if it is not coming to here, try to see now here, right? You can see in this here the this is the resistance line. This is the buyer orders. Okay, there is a huge gap is there. In this case, definitely we are going to get that it's going to fill that sell orders line. If it is coming to the close, then can go there and close it like. Still it is, there is huge gap is there. There are so many buyers are there. You can hold it. Definitely it will go up. Like suppose it is coming to the resistance line, then immediately, right? Something suddenly, sometimes it will suddenly turn to resistance line. You can go here and close it immediately. Like don't wait for to come to the sell order line. Now we can keep hold it since there's a huge gap, huge buy orders are there. You can hold it like. Okay, slowly it is turning down, right? Okay. Then you don't want to take a risk, you can close it like. Still we have the lot of buy orders. It is not completely turned to the resistance, right? Now suddenly it is turning out. Okay. I don't want to wait now. I'll go and close it here. Order filled. Normally, right? I could have closed before, but okay. That's how I am doing the trading. But in the EST hours, right? It will be like sometimes this buy orders, sell orders will be very long. Little in 30 seconds itself, you can see a little bit longer duration. That time it will work really good. But even this time also, like we have to be carefully, like choppy, right? Choppy, too much choppy is there now. Like immediately is starting to sell orders. Like I could have sell it here, but uh, yeah, that's how I'm taking the trades. Now again, we got a sell order, but I don't take it since 5 minutes time, right? We are on live green at the same time, like 1 hour time also. We are on green. Okay, whenever turn to your red, right? Go for see for the orders in the price pulse. Where is the premium zone, right? Discount zone. Discount zone is here. You can create it in EST hours, right? Definitely, it will. Most of the time, I observe like it will come to the discount zone whenever the sell is started. Like it will. Sometimes it will come. Right. Okay. First, I will create a alert here by alert. That will be there. Next, one more thing I will observe like in the T5, right? Sometimes from it will come to the T5, then again it will reverse back actually. Now, now right, not even coming to the T5, like here itself, uh, it is turning out again. See, now suddenly it is the sell ladders coming to the resistance and turning to turn to green. Now the candle, right? Not even came to the T5, it is from here itself, it is turning to the green. But T5 also it's from the sell orders. But normally I will check this one on the T5 on price pulse. I used to monitor these two on the line. Yeah, actually we have to be very patient. Like right, sometimes a sell always started, we can take a sell, but immediately sometimes it will turn to green. The stock comes to the discount zone, that is the best trade actually, like we can see, but it won't come to here. Maybe we need to closely watch. Still sellers are there. Like from here it will go up. Sometimes it won't come to T5 line also. We need to closely watch. It is turning to green light. Uh, I just moved, but it's already taken. It's already went up. If it turned to green, right? Suppose this buy order is not executed, even the discount zone. It not came to the discount zone, and directly click here. Order filled. Buy order, so that it will take that order whenever you see the green dot here.
Order filled.
Now, once it is already bought it, let's go see in the price pulse, where is the sell orders, right? Here is the sell orders. I'll go here, create a sell order. But there is some sell orders here. It's 0%. I could see. If you, there's a huge gap is there. But here some sell orders are there. I think I could see 0% there. We don't want to take a risk, then we can put the profits. We got one more signal T55 also. We got a positive signal T55 buy. Definitely it will. I feel like it will go up. Oh, this is appearing. Okay. Yeah, we got one more signal. Now three signals we are seeing positive green. So 119 bar, okay. Straight bar. Yeah, I don't want to take a risk. Okay, I'm closing that. This is my pro account.
Order filled.
Yeah. Yeah, good job, Sunil. Yeah, I know it is not easy to do a live demo when hundreds of users are watching it. You always have that feeling that so many people are watching you. That yeah, right within few minutes you took profits, and yeah, thanks for sharing the strategy which you are using.
Thank you, Shraddha.
Yeah. So again, right, what Sunil is using is a real pro account. That means it is like a cash account. Whatever he make profits, tomorrow he can go and withdraw $1,000, $2,000 at the end of the day. Right? If he takes some 10 trades like this, what he did, right? We know NQ is bullish in 1 hour, 5 minutes. Whenever he sees the buy signal, buy opportunities, he will take it. If he spends 1, 2 hours, he will easily make $1,000, $1,500. That is only with one account. But if you have five accounts like that or 10 accounts like that, you can multiply. Right? I'll show you one more simple, right? If any of you are getting confused, you using multiple indicators, I'll just show you one more easy way where you can easily understand. So, right, I hope you all can see my screen. So, so basically, right, this is one more indicator. One is we can use the T5, T55 combination. That is one way we can make profits. Then there is one more way where, right, for example, all you need to do is, so this is our support line, right? The green line is our support. This red line is like our resistance. Whenever you get a buy signal, right? Any green dot you see, they are like the buy signals. Whenever you see a buy signal, you also see another buy signal at the top. If you see anything in the blue, that is like a buy signal. So here you got a buy signal, here you got a buy signal. Then that is a nice opportunity. You can immediately go long, take one or two, three contracts. So from here to here, you will make 100, 200, $300 within few minutes. So whenever, let me take profits here. So price will generally go from here to here, and then again, let me, so right, yeah, let me focus on this one. So whenever you get, right, this is your support, this is your resistance. So whenever you get a buy signal, your candle will be green color, right? All the other candles will be different. This will be different. So whenever you get a buy signal, a green candle, you have to see whether you have a blue candle or blue bar here. If that is the case, then easily you can easily make 200, $300 from here to here. In the same way, for example, right, before some time, right, let us say here, you got a sell signal, right? Anything in red color, red triangle, they are sell signals. Whenever you get a sell signal, at the same time, you see something in the orange color here. That means if you take a shot from here to here, you will easily make 200, $300. Right? All we need to do is wait for this buy at the bottom or sell to the top. And then at the same time, if you get a sell signal here, sell signal here, that will make nice gains. Or if it comes to the bottom and you see a buy signal. And whenever you see a here, right? This is right. The confluence is important. You cannot just go with, if you see something here, you cannot go with that. You also need to see a confluence at the same time, whether we have a proper signal or not. That is important. So let's take some trades, live trades. So now I am getting some red dots, but I don't see any right anything in the orange color here. Whenever I get the red dots or sell signals here, if I see orange, then we can enter the short. So I hope it is making sense. Whenever you see a green dot or a green triangle or something, immediately what you can do, you just put a vertical line here. And you see that, okay, here at the same time I got a blue bar. That means it is a nice long opportunity. So let's go to copper. Here I got a sell, but I don't have a corresponding. NQ is the most volatile, so generally it is better to focus on NQ because that gives nice profits. If we trade with the proper rules, NQ will make a lot of money very quickly. Right from here to here, it made $300-400. So now if I get a orange bar here, I can go and take a shot. Right now because we are at a resistance. Right, this is a support, this is a resistance. We can see the sell signals here, but we don't see the orange bar. If we get a orange bar, we can enter with 2 3 contracts. We can enter, and then it will come minimum till 50 60%, and then again go up. Or if it breaks this, then it can go all the way to 392. So we are waiting for. So I hope this might be more easy for most of you to write. Again, T5 T55 is also very easy way. But this is where you can also know, okay, where until where, right? If it goes up, then we can next to 20 points it will move. We know, right? It can go all the way until from 2372, it can go till 2392. You already know what is your target. For example, if I am going long, I will put stop loss somewhere below this line. So here we got some sell, but we don't have the orange candle, so we will not enter any short. You can use any strategy, right? Whether you use T5, T55 strategy, you use top run and T5, you use price pulse and the T5, whichever you want, you can use. These are all different ways, like just like you can drive a Honda, you can drive Tesla, you can drive Toyota, whatever car, BMW, whichever it is, it will reach you to the destination. In the same way, right? Some members are very successful using top run. Some members are very successful using T5 and price pulse combination. Some members are very successful. So just we are trying to show you different ways, right? Whichever you feel easy. Okay, you feel like, oh, this one, I know this is a green line, that means a support. This is a red line, that means it is resistance. So if price is going above this green line, that means I can wait until here. Then you can use this indicator. Or if you, so based on whichever you feel is easy to use, you can use it and you can copy it into multiple accounts, not just one account. You can trade, you can basically whatever trade you take, you can copy into 5 accounts, 10 accounts. And then even though you make 100 $200, by multiplying into 10 accounts, the value will be $2,000. That is the advantage. So don't think that, oh, I'm spending half an hour and making 100 $200. Right? We are okay in office to spend 1 hour and make 60 $70 billing rate. The same 1 hour, if you spend in any 1 hour, you can easily make it 5 to 10 times out of that. So we are waiting, right? Still, we don't see the orange bar here. Either we should get a orange bar or it should go up and then we should get a blue bar. In the morning time, we'll use 5 minutes, whereas in the after hours, we can use 1 minute or 2 minutes during non-market, non-US hours because volume will be less. Right. Today morning, we made nearly 90% of profits with all the SPX, all the Kava, all different tickers using the same strategy. So we are waiting for the confluence. We would have made some profits here, but because we did not get the confluence, we did not enter. Right? It's always better if you follow the rules. 90% of the time, we'll make profits. It's okay even if we miss some opportunities because this might be a small pullback, but there is a high potential for NQ to go all the way till 390, 2390. So if we get a buy signal, that will be a nice opportunity. So all you need to look is, first thing is you need to get a buy, buy or sell signal. Generally, the green dots represent buy signals. The red dots or red triangles represent sell signals. Whenever you get those signals, you should see a confluence here. Then that is a perfect opportunity. I think if it comes here again, we can see a nice bounce on NQ. So this is our strong support area. So this is our resistance. From the resistance, it dropped, but because we did not see a orange bar, we did not take a shot. But if it comes to this support, then we can long enter long one more time. So this is already telling that price can go up, but here we did not get a buy signal yet. We are waiting for the buy signal. I think yes, we got a buy signal already. In Q also, maybe in next one two candles, we should see a buy signal again. So it came all the way from the resistance to the support. Again, it should go back. We'll see. Yes, yes. When I took the, okay, I don't know. Okay, I might have forgot to take the stop loss or something. But anyway, it should go up in some time. So now it came touched the support area. We are still waiting for our buy signal. Slowly this candle it should start reversing. So it may form a buy candle now. Mm, Most probably we should get a buy signal now. Waiting for the buy signal to enter long. It touches the support, right, from the resistance. This support also broken. It came to the next support. From this support, it is trying to bounce. So if we get a buy signal, if we see a green triangle or green dot or something, then we can go long. We got a green dot, right? That means it is telling, right? We got a green dot, we got a blue bar, we got a perfect confluence. So now I can go and we can take a long position now. I took a long on NQ. If we give some time, then it should go all the way to the top. In your stop loss, if you want, you can put something below this line. You can put your stop loss. Again, 90% of the time it will go up. But if you don't want to take any risk, we can have a stop loss somewhere here. So now this is our target, right? 359, 2359 is our target, and your stop loss is 20, somewhere below this, around 2342 is your stop loss. So if you make, you will make five, $600. If you lose, you will lose $100. It is consolidating here because the volume will be very less. So buyers are trying to take it up. So it's nearly three, 400, 350, $360 in only one account. But if I'm copying it into six, seven accounts, that is nearly $2,000, right? All we did is waited for a buy signal. Then we got the blue dot, and then we took the trade. So even though you have it here, but we did not get any sell signal, right? It came to the support, consolidated for some time, then started moving up. Right? Again, if we wait for more time, it will also reach to the target, but again, it will be choppy, right? In the morning time, within 5-10 minutes, it will go all the way to the top because volume will be high. Now it will be little slow. But yeah, that's it, right? Either you use T5, T55 or T8, T8, T8. Just we need to follow a systematic procedure. Okay, whenever I get a buy, I see a blue bar, then I'll go long. Or if I get a sell signal, I see a orange bar, I'll go short. That's it. If we follow that, then 90% of the time you will make profits. You can have a stop loss somewhere little bit below. If it breaks the support, one out of 10 times it may break suddenly if there is some bad news or something. Right? So that's it, everyone. So again, it is better we create a backup plan before employers do something, or so that this you can do from anywhere across the globe. You don't need to, even if you have to go to India, you go to a vacation, you go to a beach also, you spend 1 hour, you can make a few hundreds of dollars without investing, risking your own money. So that's it, everyone. So again, so today we made around 90% of profits with options. You can watch all the live session, recorded sessions where we made all the trades. And yeah, again, there are hundreds of members who are changing their lives. If you want to be one of them, you can go to Linktree. You can go to this page and you can subscribe. If I went, if I took six contracts, you understand how much confidence I have. Yeah, I'm holding a ES also. ES, I'll wait until it goes all the way to the top. So you can go to that page. You can subscribe to the indicators, and yeah, right. Every day we can easily make 500 to $1,000 in one account, one prop account. If you have five accounts, that's a $5,000. If you have 10 accounts, that's a 10. There are some members who are making 10,000 in one account itself. So that is the potential, that is the opportunity. But many members, right, they again, you have to put some, right, because that emotional balance, emotions is what, right? If you are emotionally weak, suddenly you see a red candle, you will close it. But once you gain confidence, then you will hold the trade. Right? Yeah, that's it, everyone. Talk to you. If you want to change the life, you can subscribe, you can practice, you can be one of the successful persons like lot of others, and you can share your story soon. Yeah. Good night, everyone. Talk to you, and yes, yes, should go to 5813 5813. Good night, everyone. You can use this for options, futures, stocks, anything. This will be released to the members tomorrow. After I'll do one more demo tomorrow, and then I'll release it tomorrow evening. Good night, everyone. Thank you, Sunil. Thanks for sharing.